So other than that, I'll see you guys on the next week's episode. Peace.
Hey, what is up, everyone? It's your boy AB back with another video here on EuroAutoEnthusiast. I was just watching a little clip from the Daily Driven doing a feature on a GTR. Man, look, there's nothing sleeper about that R35. Did you see that wheel setup? Am I the only one that saw the wheel setup? Hey, shout out to my guy, the Daily Driven. The Daily Driven here on YouTube and the Daily Driven with a 3 on Instagram. Check him out. He is part of the team that put together BMW Invasion or Bimmer Invasion or the Invasion of Orlando. I don't know which one you guys are calling it. I think you've gotten away from the BMW Invasion. So I want to say it's Bimmer Invasion. That was the invasion of Orlando that took place. Seemingly it was a huge turnout. So congrats to you and Miguel Beamer. Seems like it was a great time. I've watched all of the videos that you posted. Man, shout out, salute to you guys. Looking forward to next year. Hate that I missed it this year. Quick update on the wheel. Got some bad news about the wheel. I did a live yesterday with What's Your Forte, and he did share with me to reach out to the folks that did the work and see if there's a warranty. We still have suspension here needs to be replaced. That arm needs to be replaced on both sides. We're still troubleshooting what's going on with the 5 Series, so I hadn't put too much on that, but I'm getting ready to start releasing information on that. If you haven't seen the last DIY Wednesday video, I did replace a part, and you want to see that particular video because honestly, the information I found out will either lead you to understand that you don't even have to replace it, or just depending on what's going on with your part, you do have to replace it. But either way, link is in the description below. In fact, I'll just throw a little card up right now for you to click it. And of course, be sure to come back. Today is the E53 X5. Unfortunately, I have been trying to get an issue taken care of, and we're not quite there yet. So as you see, it's a little damp. That's not good at all. We see where the water's going. There is a drain that runs right through the front and under the sunroof, and then there's one that runs under the back. Hey guys, let me interrupt this video just for a brief moment. What God put on my heart today is that don't allow the position that you're in affect where you're going. When God puts something on your heart, he shows you the vision that you have. Nobody else is going to see that vision but you. When you have that vision and you start, you may not even have the clarity of the steps that are going to be involved with making it happen. But do know that is your mission. Just because you don't have the results right now doesn't mean that God's not going to give you the tools to have those results. In fact, he's going to give you the tools as long as you put your first step forward and the next step after that and continue to make the steps. It's going to happen. I've already tried to go from the top. The only other thing that I can do is actually take an air compressor, go real light, low PSI, and try to blow the debris out. But we run a risk of blowing that drain. I believe it's a plastic tube, and we run a risk of blowing that off. I've got an idea of what I can use, kind of like a snake type tool, and we'll see if I can push up far enough to where it will release the dirt and debris that is in there. well, once again, I have given it the old college try. It looks like the line or something is deteriorating maybe from inside. There's a lot of the kind of like, I don't know, some kind of flakes like polyurethane maybe or plastic. So that could very well be the problem because I mean it's an 05 and yeah, in the last couple of years we've really started having problems with the line, the drains getting clogged. But to me, that looks like it's the drain itself, the material that it's made of, and it's just starting to flake away internally. That is what's causing the backup. So if anyone is watching this has any knowledge of what's going on with that, please definitely share with us in the comments below. I'm going to do my homework, do my research as far as the line, see if it can be replaced or what can be done, because honestly, we're going to run into this situation every year if I don't just properly take the time and maintain it. So we shall see.